Hello children. In this video, we will discuss about EVS chapter 4. And the name of the chapter is Houses We Live In. Let's have a look what are the important topics of this chapter. They are: why do we need food? Then different types of houses. And finally, materials used in making houses. What type of materials we use to build our houses? These three important topics mainly we will discuss. So let's start with the first topic. Why do we need a house? Students, we all know that all of us need a house to live in. A house protects us from harsh weather like heat, cold, rain, thunderstorm, etc. Our house also protects us from attack of wild animals and from thieves and dacoits. We have valuable things with us in our houses. We have to protect them from thieves and dacoits. So we build houses. Now look at this picture. Here you can see different types of houses are there. We built different types of houses, isn't it? Come to our next topic. Types of houses. Students, we find different types of houses in different places. The houses which are present in hill areas definitely will be different from the houses which are present in desert area, isn't it? The type of house depend mainly on two factors. What are they? They are locally available materials and climatic conditions of a place. So what are the two factors? Locally available materials and climatic conditions of a place. When we build our houses, we have to keep in mind about these two factors. Okay? Now, generally, houses are of two types. We can see generally two types of houses. What are they? They are Pakka house and Kacha house. Look at the pictures. This is a Pakka house and this is a Kacha house. From the picture we can say that Pakka houses are very strong. They are made up with bricks, cement, steel, rod, etc. Examples are flats, bungalow. They are Pakka houses. This type of houses are called permanent house. We can live here year after year. They are permanent. We cannot move them from one place to another place. Now have a look to the Kacha house. From the picture we can see that this type of houses are made up with mud, straw, wood, dry leaves, etc. Okay. People in villages generally live in Kacha houses. We can find Kacha houses in villages. These type of houses are temporary. They are not permanent. Okay. Like Pakka houses, they are not permanent. Some people live at one place for very short time. They build different type of houses that can be moved from one place to another. Okay, for many reason, maybe their professional reason, they stay in a place for very short period. Okay, they have to move their houses from one place to another place. So that's why they build different types of houses. Okay, what are they? Have a look. They are maybe caravan, tent, houseboat, igloo, or stilt house. Now one by one we will discuss about this type of houses. Let's start with caravan. Have a look. This is a caravan. Gypsies live in this type of houses. Gypsies means people of Egypt. Okay. They live a nomadic life. That means they move from one place to another. That's why they carry caravans. Okay, so that they can move from one place to another place very easily. They live in the houses on wheel. Inside this van, everything is present. Their bedroom, drawing room, bathroom, kitchen, everything is there. Okay, now next one is tent. Like caravan, we can also move tent from one place to another place. It is also not a permanent house. Okay, some people live at one place for a very short time. Just now we have discussed it for many reasons. They live in tent. Okay, this tent can be shifted from one place to another place very easily, and this tent are generally made up with canvas. Many soldiers live in tent in their camp. You know that. Campers also use it. Campers means people who go for holiday and live in tent for some days. Okay. So at that time they also use tent. Next one is houseboat. Houseboat is a floating house. From the picture we can say that it is a floating house, and this type of houses are made up with wood. In Kashmir, many people live in houseboat. Okay. Next one is igloo. Look at the picture. This type of houses are made up with ice block. Blocks of ices are there. Like this. Okay. This type of houses we can see in Iceland, because locally available materials are only ice blocks. That's why the people lived there. They built igloos. Okay. So a house made of snow or ice block is called an igloo. Eskimos live in igloos. Eskimos means people of Iceland. They called Eskimos. They live in igloos. These igloos keep them warm. Now next is stilt house. Look at the spelling. S-T-I-L-T. Stilt house. This kind of houses are found where it rains heavily, like Assam, Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. Here in these places, water is locked always. Why? Because it rains heavily. Okay. That's why people build this type of houses. Okay, these houses are made up with wood. Okay, and you can see pillars are there. They are called stilt. Okay, and these pillars are made up with bamboo. Clear? So this kind of houses are found where it rains heavily and water is locked always. People of such areas make wooden houses on stilt with bamboo. These houses are found in Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Our next topic is materials needed to build a house. Which type of materials we use to build a house? Houses in the city are made up of bricks, cement, steel, rod, etc. We know that. And we build doors and windows with the help of wood and glass. Okay, so wood and glass are used to make doors and windows. But in villages, houses are made up with straw, wood, mud, stone. These days, some villages also have pakka house. If we go to any villages right now, we can see there are many pakka houses. Okay. Now, next topic of this chapter is different roofs of houses. Different roofs. Okay. So houses on hills have sloping roof. Sloping roof means, have a look here. This type of roofs are called one minute. Have a look. This type of roofs are called sloping. Okay, they are not flat. Have a look. This roof are not like our roof. They are sloping roof. Okay. Now move to our topic. Houses on hills have sloping roof. People living in areas where it rains a lot make houses on stilt with sloping roof. So people live on hilly areas, build houses with sloping roof, and also people who live in an area where it rains a lot, they also build houses with sloping roof. Okay. People living in plain using make houses with flat roof. People like us, we live in plain area right now. We live in plains, so our roofs are flat. Okay. Now, very important topic. How can we define a good house? What do you mean by a good house? A good house should have plenty of fresh air and sunlight. Okay, that's why we build windows in our house so that sunlight and fresh air can enter our house. A good house should have trees nearby so that we can get fresh oxygen and fresh air. A good house should be neat and clean, very important. Okay, and a good house should have a proper drainage system. Proper drainage system should be there in every house, isn't it? So students, that's all for this chapter. Now what you have to do? After watching the video, you have to read the chapter at least 2 times. Okay? And you have to make a note about your doubts. You can also underline the sentences or the words. Okay? Then in the next class, we will discuss about the chapter. We will clear our every concept. Okay? So thank you everyone. Have a nice day and take care.